Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most underrated superfoods out there, broccoli. Stick around to learn how this humble green veggie can supercharge your health in ways you never imagined. Let's get started. First up, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and iron. Just 1 cup of broccoli provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. This makes it fantastic for boosting your immune system and keeping you healthy year-round. Next, broccoli is known for its powerful cancer-fighting properties. It contains compounds like sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Regular consumption of broccoli can help reduce the risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Broccoli is also great for your heart. Its high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, and the antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. This combination supports cardiovascular health and lowers the risk of heart disease. So adding broccoli to your diet is a heart-smart choice. Benefit number 4, aids in digestion. If you're looking to improve your digestion, broccoli is your friend. It's rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. The fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and supporting overall digestive health. Benefit number 5, promotes bone health. Broccoli is also fantastic for your bones. It's loaded with calcium and vitamin K, both of which are crucial for bone health. Regular consumption of broccoli can help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. So for strong and healthy bones, make sure broccoli is on your plate. Benefit number 6, enhances skin health. And did you know that broccoli can enhance your skin health? It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help protect your skin from damage and promote a healthy glow. Vitamin C in broccoli helps in collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. The incredible health benefits of broccoli that you never knew about. From boosting your immune system to protecting your heart and skin, broccoli is truly a superfood worth adding to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your channel name for more health and nutrition tips. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to eat broccoli.